case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the case of Kenneth Ulibarri, the Court of Appeals of New Mexico took a deep dive into Fourth Amendment protections against unreasonable searches and seizures, specifically the knock-and-announce rule, where law enforcement officers must identify themselves and wait before entering a residence to execute a search warrant. Ulibarri, who had been charged with drug trafficking and possession, faced an agonizing situation when officers forcibly entered his home without waiting a reasonable amount of time after announcing their presence. Claiming a violation of his Fourth Amendment rights, Ulibarri attempted to suppress the evidence obtained from the unsolicited home search. The district court initially denied his motion, leading him to plead guilty to possession, but he retained the right to appeal the denial of his motion to suppress. The blows of injustice were felt acutely when his appeal earned the sympathy of a higher court. Upon review, the appeals court reversed the decision, revealing that the officers had infringed upon the technicalities of the knock-and-announce rule. Adding severity to the situation, it was disclosed during the hearing that Ulibarri's harmless grandfather, Joe Roybal, suffered injuries when the officers intruded forcefully into the home. The state was put on the charged dock, as the court pointed out that it hadn't demonstrated convincingly that the officers had indeed followed the knock-and-announce rule. In a bold twist, the previous ruling was reversed. Ulibarri's plea was vacated by the appeals court and the case was remanded for further examination. The court put forth a mandate that a mere 10 to 12 seconds of silence should not be an acceptable waiting period before officers barge into homes they seek to search, an important precedent that promises to have a ripple effect on how such situations are handled henceforth.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.